Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am talking about body odor. I'll be sharing with you products to help get rid of your body odor, and of course share with you some simple lifestyle changes for you to practice to get rid of your body odor. Before we talk about bromohydrosis, so that's the medical term for body odor, let's talk about our skin. So our skin is generally covered with bacteria, and most of the bacteria that live on our skin are generally harmless. However, when they interact with sweat, our body produces certain smells. So it produces certain unique smell. Let's talk about how body odor occurs. So there are two ways of how body odor can occur. Let's break them down. So number one, when we sweat continuously, the area where we sweat becomes moist, leaving dead skin cells on our skin. Remember when I said bacteria are found on our bodies? So these bacteria tend to eat away these dead skin cells. Once they eat these dead skin cells, they release certain proteins, and it's these proteins that produces the body odor. It's not the sweat. However, it is the bacteria that's eating these dead skin cells. So let's talk about the second way where body odor can occur. Another way of which body odor can occur is through the sweat glands. So we have two types of sweat glands. So we have endocrine glands and apocrine glands. Both glands plays specific roles within our body. So the endocrine glands tend to release sweat to cool down the body, whereas the apocrine gland release sweats but do not cool down the body. But instead, the sweats that's released tends to be oily, milky sweats that tend to mix up with the bacteria, which causes the distinctive smell. So apocrine gland is the gland responsible for producing body odor. So bear in mind, it's not the sweat that's coming from our body, but it is the bacteria breaking down these compounds that causes this specific distinctive smell. So these are the two ways in which body odor can occur. So now that we know how body odor occurs, let's talk about some of the preventative measures that we can use to prevent body odor and also get rid of body odor. So tip number one is to get yourself antibacterial or antimicrobial soap. So soaps such as Dettol. So these are very good at removing bacteria from the skin, so the bacteria that's causing body odor from the skin. Make sure that you're using these every day for washing until the body odor is gone. Tip number two is to use lime. So if you're from African household, then you'll be familiar with this method. So you can cut half of lime and use it to wash. Be careful when you're using lime for the first time, as lime can cause stinging and of course some pain and discomfort if you have cuts in your armpits or certain areas. So lime is good because it is a citrus fruit that contains citric acid, which helps kill the bacteria causing body odor. Please note, lime can be irritating to some people's armpit. It's always important to do a skin patch test. And my third tip is exfoliating. So you can get a body exfoliator cream or scrub just to exfoliate the armpits, exfoliate the places where you're getting the body odor. What they will do is they will remove all the dead skin cells that the bacteria eats up to cause the body odor. Make sure that you're scrubbing the armpit very well to remove all the dead skin cells. I'll put some more in the description box below. Have a look and see which one will be perfect for you to use. So let's move on to tip number four. So tip number four is using antiperspirant spray and of course a deodorant. So what antiperspirant spray does is it will reduce the amount of sweating. So if it's someone that sweats and also get body odor, then it's best to get antiperspirant spray. So antiperspirant spray will reduce the amount of sweating that your body is producing, and if you get a deodorant, the deodorant will mask the smell. So my final tip is of course hygiene. So it's important that you're washing yourself every single day, at least twice a day, and changing your clothes. Do not wear the same clothes every single day, because this will increase your chances of having body odor, especially your gym clothes. So make sure that you're washing them. You can wash them with some antibacterial soaps as well, just to get rid of any smells in them. If you do all these tips, I'm sure you will get rid of your body odor. All right guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Comment below if you try any of my tips. Let me know how you get on, or if you've used any of the tips I've given you. Let me know how you get on. And don't forget to follow me on my socials, so Nana's Health Talk on Instagram and Nana the Pharmacist on TikTok. I shall see you all in my next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Take care.